Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to pin your friend on Snapchat. So pinning a friend on Snapchat makes their conversation to the top of the list. So this is great for easy access and quick replies to your friends. Snapchat Plus offers this, but you can do this free of charge. So let me show you how to do this. So for example here, I'll choose a random contact from the list. Say for example this one here. So if I want to pin this to the top of my list, I want to go ahead and long press on it. Now, if you have Snapchat Plus, you'll be able to pin this person as your number one best friend forever. However, we want to do it free of charge. So to do this, go ahead and tap on Chat Settings. And here you'll see Pin Conversation. So go ahead and tap on it. Once you do this, that conversation will go to the top of the list and you have pinned a contact to the top of the chat. So now whenever this person will chat with you, it will always appear at the top of the list. And there you go. That is how to pin your friend on Snapchat. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.